Good morning, guys. Let's go over VeChain. We've got some signals going off here that we could be seeing a pump very soon. I'm also going to give you guys predictions of what's happened in the past here. This could get ridiculous for VET. All right, guys, this is going to be a similar video that I did to call the pump on ADA, which we are obviously seeing a very nice pump here. And ADA is obviously moving down. We were, clearly looking at that drop back down the last video, but we pumped up 52%. I believe VET is due for a move like this, and I want to cover this in today's video. So let's go over here to VET and we'll dive right in. Currently, guys, we're sitting on the charts here, and with our membership, you guys can all get this at the end of the video. I'll show you how to do this. We are at 102 for 102 wins in a row. We've never lost a crypto trade, and I'll show you exactly how to take the trades that we're taking here, how to get the indicators, which are going up in price. We have a sell going on right now. I'll show you guys how to get that in the second half of this video. I'm currently using my own money, $100,000 worth, guys. We are only down 4% in the account right now. This is absolutely incredible because most people are down about 35, 40, even pushing to 50% in this bear market cycle. Some people are down even further because those of you guys who got into VET, let's start talking about VET now. Those people who FOMO'd into VET at these higher prices, let's say no one got in at the top. Let's say you guys got in up here. You're currently sitting down on VET about 56%. All right, this is why I'm telling you guys on this channel, a lot of accounts are down around 40 to 50% right now, because hardly anybody, I would say conservatively, 2%, if not even 1% of the people out there use good risk management when it comes to trading. There is probably less than 1% of traders who actually use risk management as well as we do, where we use 4 different buy limits on each coin at very specific levels. This is why we've never lost a trade and why we're doing very well. So instead of being down and FOMOing in at these higher prices that some people did, being down, let's call this 56%, we're only down 46. We've saved ourselves 10%, but it gets even better. Sounds like an info commercial. Watch this though. All of our traders, the most favorable thing that can happen for us is if the market drops even further. Because guess what, guys? We've got more money down here at VET on the 4th buy limit. This is an updated buy limit. Guys, we've been trading this since November 10th. Once this buy limit gets hit, our break-even entry that's covered up here a little bit, you guys can see this break-even, it says it right there. It's not going to be at 13 cents. It's going to move down below here to probably around 12 cents. That's going to immediately save us another, basically move it down between the middle there. That's another 7 to 8, 10%. It's probably going to be closer to 10% because it's going to move in the middle here. Right around 10%, we're all going to immediately save doing nothing. We're going to chill, go to the beach, go play golf, play with our kids, and you guys are going to make this. I am personally not in this trade. I want to make that full disclosure because Coinbase doesn't allow us to trade VET. But if it did, guys, I would be buying VET right now. Now let's go over to some pretty crazy predictions, but they're not unrealistic. It's actually really what's happened in the past here. Before that, I want to go over this. Trend dashboard. You guys need these indicators on your charts. I'm not even just going to, forget trying to sell or anything. Get them on your charts, guys. This is how we're winning all the trades, and we have the highest win rate on YouTube. It is because we're able to predict these markets with accuracy with the data in our indicators and metrics. I will show you guys the metrics over here that we've got here, wells and institutions of what they're doing. This can get very bullish here very soon. Take a look at this. A lot of retail traders this morning are coming out and they're selling this because their average indicators, the RSI stochastic and MACD and the moving averages, are bearish. That is why we're going down, okay? People are looking at this and their feelings are getting anxious. They're getting fearful. I'm going to prove it to you guys today. Keep watching. But what we're going to do over here, guys, I'm showing you this. The well money flow is getting low and the trend exhaustion is getting low, guys. This is time to buy. If I could buy VET right now, I would literally do a live video, guys, with you right now of how I would buy VET. I can't do it because it's not on Coinbase. But if I did, I would literally do in a video right now. Here's what I want you guys to be watching for. You guys want to be able to have the power in your hands to predict the drops and the pumps of crypto with 75 to 80% accuracy, which is actually absolutely incredible. You guys need it. The price of sold money flow and the trend exhaustion. Okay? This is what you guys are going to be able to do in the power in your hands. When we saw this move up here, when well money flow peaked out here, look at all the mountaintops to the left and to the right. When it peaked and the trend exhaustion was high here, that's where we saw the biggest drop. Okay, move it to the future here. What do we see? Right around this area and this area right here. We ended up seeing the correlation of the drop in the market here. And then the time right after that, we ended up getting the drop over here. Well, money flow is high, trend exhaustion pushing the top red section. Trend exhaustion pushed the top red section, well, money flow is high, and then we saw them move back down on the market. We then could not head up any higher here because of this guy right here pushed us up in the top red section. Well, money flow is high, showing us that the wells are looking to sell out. You guys understand this is literally tracking money over here of what's happening. Look in the past over here. How are we able to call this drop over here? We saw well money flow high, trend exhaustion high. That's what ended up creating this drop over here. It moved back up. Did we FOMO in? No, we did not. Why? Well money flow is very high, and we saw this move up here, getting close to the top section. We saw the drop down. Then it calls the drop over here as well. The next drop right after that, the only one that even mattered was this one, and we called the drop over here as well. Do you guys see the accuracy over here of what this is calling? Now, if you come over here and you look at this, and when we start getting into a bull run, you're also able to call the pumps before they happen, because that's where a lot of people are making money. Trend exhaustion is low. Well, money flow is low. What happened here? We're seeing pumps. And you guys are like, well, that's not a big pump. No, it actually is a pretty decent pump in here. That's 15 to 16, 17, 18% at the high here. Like, imagine what you could be doing here if you're using these indicators to get in and out of the market. I'm serious, guys. We have a dude that's literally been scalping with us. There's one guy that was doing literally $30,000 a week. It was ridiculous. But we've got other people in here that are using these two indicators. They're like, the indicators are unbelievable and absolutely crucial to time the markets. $2,200 in 7 days. This guy down here did where'd he go? He did $20,000 trading with our indicators. Where'd he go? Down here, right here. Up about 20,000 in crypto and stocks because of the trend exhaustion and prices while money flow. I didn't mean to go into testimonials right now, but you guys can look at this. It's ridiculous what people are saying over here, but we're using these two indicators. Now, let's bring it to the forefront. We are down here at this lower section here, and this is why I'm getting bullish, and I'm excited on this video today, guys. Not only is VET at a lower price structure here, where we're getting close to support, but we could be bouncing. All right, I will go over the metrics, but I want to give you guys even more data right now. Look at what's happened in the past when we've been at these areas before, and it's right around these areas, this big, support that we're looking at right here. Okay, we've pumped 118%, 118%, 43%, 112%, and then we pumped 119%. 119. Let's take a smaller percentage that we just saw happen not too long ago with price structure. We saw this bounce up right here. How about a 39 to 40% pump there? This is why I'm very bullish on VET right now. And look at where VET is, guys. Like, look at the high over here. Look at how high this has been in the past. Unless you guys think VET and the crypto markets are going away forever, why in the world are you guys not buying more in here? Like, literally, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I have $35,000 to buy the dip if we go further, because I know the market can go further down, but I don't think coins such as VET have too much further to go down. So if you guys want to literally be those testimonials of millionaires that are being made, I'm not your financial advisor. Let's make that really clear. But seriously, guys, this is the time to be buying these coins, and VET is an incredible opportunity. I hope it goes down, because we're all going to immediately save 10%, and when this goes back up, we're going to make even more money, and it's going to be more favorable for all of our traders. All right, I hope you guys see how jacked I am right now, because this is some serious money you guys can be coming into. Guys, seriously, again, I'm going to say this slower because I hope you get this and it goes off like a alarm in your head. Either crypto is going to disappear, or this is going to be one of the lowest prices you will ever be able to get VET ever again, and it may never come back down to this price again. Do you guys understand that? Oh my gosh, like some of you guys are going to get this. You're going to throw money in here and you're going to do great. I'm not saying you're guaranteed to make money. I'm not saying that at all. But I'm just saying I am convinced of this and I am doing this myself. And when you guys come over here and you see our account growing by the tens of thousands of dollars in this next bull run, it's because we bought at lower prices. You guys get paid every other Friday or every month. Why not choose, as you choose yourself? Put in an extra $10, put an extra $100. I'll show you how to trade our strategy here with good risk management so you can get into a good trade. Let me show you that in a second. Let's go over the metrics here. Emotional index is going to be updating here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is actually they're going to be updating very, very soon, maybe while we're on this video. We're sitting in the neutral section here. Okay, we're neutral and moving back down here. The reason why I don't feel like we're in anxious or fearful section that much is because we're so stinking low here. We haven't actually broken down below support. This is a place, guys, where it is incredible able to get entries in. I'm going to say this out. You guys don't know this guy, but Brandon, my friend Brandon, if you are watching this video, man, I know you're a longtime diehard VET holder. If you have some money to put into VET, I highly suggest this is a great time to get in here. Okay, really suggest this. All right, I may actually just open up another account to buy VET because I think this is such a good trade. Binance US is probably the best place to do that right now. Okay, long versus short trade risk. Looking at this, we are sitting down. The metric value has pushed us into the good long trade section here, where we're looking for moves up. Previous time before that, we got the pump. We got a little bit of a pump here. Got a little bit of a pump here. Okay, great. This is in a downtrend, and this metric's calling it well. Like, look at this over here. When we actually hit some of these moves, when we get down to a great long trade, this is where the market's reversing and pumping. Guys, this is going to happen again. Again, it's either crypto disappears or we're going to pump like crazy. And those of you guys who get your money in now are going to do extremely well. If Bitcoin goes to 150,000, VET is easily going to come back up over here above 20 cents. And that is an incredible amount of profit. Look at the percentage we could be facing here if we just go to structure high here. That's an extra 157% in your account. Those of you guys who are putting $100,000 here, my millionaire traders, guys, you're looking at about $150,000 you can make on that. All right, let's get even more in depth in here to make this even more exciting. You guys ready for this? What's the time frame of this possibly happening? Let's take the low here and let's take this bull run that happened over here. How about this? 46 days, 1.5 months. 1.5 months to make, take, let's say $100,000 to turn to $150,000 in 1.5 months. Take $10,000 to turn into $15,000, possibly. These are possibilities, but I'm trying to get you guys excited about this because more people are anxious right now than excited, and it's not right. It's like, oh gosh, guys, get jacked. Okay, well, institutional smart money. All right, VET in here. We saw that as retail traders were getting fearful and anxious in the market and it was dropping, whales were buying this thing up. And guess what? The price moved back up. What are we seeing today, guys? On top of all this video, like the excitement that I have in all of this, you are seeing price structure low, and you are clearly seeing in here that whales and institutions just got a big candle up here for long trades. If you're watching this and you have money on the sidelines and you don't buy into VET, you need to slap yourself silly a little bit today, okay? This is such a good entry. Now, wait till the end of the video. I'll show you guys how to do this with good risk management because there's no guarantee that this can't head down further. Okay, you need to understand that. No one's guaranteeing this is going to head up or head down. But if you look at this based off structure, we've been here many times before and we have exploded from this area. Okay, watch this. Coming down here. Support and resistance prices for VET. The next greatest resistance I'm looking at is actually going to be up here at this level. It's about 80 cents. So I want to take a look at 80 cents real quick with you guys. It's 80 cents. Yeah, right. How about 0.08? 80 cents would be incredible, but we're not that high yet. 8 cents is up here at this structure resistance. So I think if you guys are going to be able to get into this trade here, I don't think it's unrealistic and unreasonable to get a price range tool out here and just go to previous structure high, which is going to be about 30%. I was actually going to think it was going to be like 10 to 15. How about 30% profit? Oh my gosh. I seriously might actually try to find an account today to try to open up an account with VET. And I think it's actually going to, oh man, I wish Coinbase would list this. I'm probably not going to do this just to keep it honest with Coinbase, but seriously, guys, if you can trade VET, oh man, this is such a good trade here. Look at this. On top of all that, look at this data. We just got a bar coming out here for dollar cost average entries to call the bottom here for you guys. If you guys have been following our channel and you got into the bottom prices here, this thing can explode. Look at the high here, and that's not even the all-time high. You guys know what that is? That was the 157% pump I just talked about. That's not unrealistic, and it can happen in a month and a half. This is crazy. I'm getting like more jacked as I talk about this. All right, exit points. As this comes up here in price, you need to be watching for these exit points for drops in the market and drops in the market, okay? Drop there and a drop here. So make sure you guys are watching that. Okay, let's just dive in here because I want to show you guys how to make money on this with good risk management so you're not throwing all your money away just for gambling over here. Let's do this. The membership, guys, come over here and sign up. The best membership you guys will get for the rest of the year. You guys are going to get me, my team. You're going to get access to all the metrics as well as all of our trade calls. $49 a month. Snag this now. This is going to be going up in price to $95 a month in literally less than 45 days here. You guys need this now. Get in now, and I will grandfather all of you in here at $49 a month. You will not be paying the higher prices, I promise. Once you get in at $49, our membership, our literal, like the back end membership portal, locks you guys in at $49 a month, and you will never have to pay the higher amount. And literally, you're going to make almost 100% on your money. And the education you guys are going to get in 2022 and the years to come are going to be so incredible. We are going to be releasing in March what's called an inner circle acceleration. I'm going to be teaching masterclass level strategies to you guys. And we're going to get together as a community to help answer questions, and that's why we're upping this here, because we have a lot of things planned. That's the biggest one we have planned here, guys. You do not want to miss that. But go ahead and get access to all the perks we have coming for the $95 a month membership for $49 a month, and you never have to see this price increase for you guys. You can keep it for life, and it will never go up on you. Incredible. Make sure you guys are doing that today. That'll give you access to all the metrics, and it will give you guys access to all the live trade calls. Here's where I get jacked, guys. Every single one of our 102 wins have all been called out on this single page right now. Guys, that 30% that I'm talking about for VET that could be happening, I want you to follow me right here. Come straight down here to VET. Here is VeChain. We cover VeChain. VeChain's an amazing coin, all right? It's just at a low price, and this can be exploding soon. VeChain live trading. You guys want to come down here and click this. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this with Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our paying subscribers. But here's what you guys are going to do. Official buy limits have updated. It is now 8 o'clock, literally like right on the dot at 8 o'clock, and it says 118. So all the metrics are updated here. Take a look at this, guys. Here's what you're going to do. Pretend this is VET. Obviously, VET is actually down like here. For the pump. This is also why I believe altcoins are a better position to be in right now than the majors like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Altcoins are at lower structures, so I believe what's going to happen, and this is proof here to prove my point here for you guys. Ethereum can head down a lot further, which it's heading down. Bitcoin can head down a lot further, but coins like ADA got all the way down to their structure support at $1, and we bounced. Does this look like what we see on VET? The answer is yes. This is why I'm expecting to see pumps over here, and that's what we predicted on this channel, and we got the pump. All right, we're still waiting to get into the profit, but I even had money down here that I exited yesterday, and I made a great deal of money on that. Like, I already took out, guys. Like, I made probably like $200 to $300 just on exiting a little bit yesterday in a trade that I got down here. Like, we're making hundreds of dollars. That's also why the account's not going down, is because we're consistently trading with these lower buy limits, and we're going to keep growing the account. Like, this is the best way to trade, guys. So good. All right, here's how you do this. Pretend this is VET. It's Bitcoin, but pretend it's VET or whatever you want to trade. Here's all you guys are going to do. Take $1,000 or whatever amount you want to trade with and split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. So 250, 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. All right. Set all the buy limits up in your exchange at the exact same time. All right. Now, once the first buy limit gets hit, just simply set a sell limit in your exchange for 100%. If you guys don't know how to set sell limits and buy limits, go straight down, watch this video, and I'll show you how to do all of that on Coinbase. Okay. Very powerful video. All that's left now is for you guys to get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and where you guys are going to be able to use the indicators to call exits with me and to be able to get out with me to make these gains. So sign in Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link here, and then you guys will get added directly into the Telegram channel where we're using the indicators, price, risk, money flow, and trend exhaustion to call exits on these trades. Okay, guys? This is the deal on the indicators. Do not pass this up. We have a sale going on right now that is ending. It's going to end January 28th. It's not at the end of this month. It's Friday. Like Friday, this ends. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching. It's Friday, January 28th. It's not this Friday, but next Friday. All right? Here's the deal on this. If you want to copy me and all the things that we're doing here, you need to get the price, risk, money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. Now, getting these 3 are what you need, but it is better to get the bundle pack because this is going to give you guys the greatest discount. We are also going to be upping the bundle pack this year as well. So you are never going to be able to get the tools that we use to be the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto. You are not going to be able to get our tools for this low ever again. Seriously, guys, if you are like, I want to trade. I don't want to lose trades anymore. I want a community to trade with, and I want to be able to use good risk management so I know if the market dips or if it pumps, I'm going to be in a good position. I will show that to you guys because I'm already proving it to you with winning 102 trades in a row. All right. So the bundle pack is the absolute best deal that you guys want to be getting. It's 21% off right now. On top of that, guys, we're raising the prices of the price versus well money flow. We're raising the price of the trend dashboard, and I'm raising the price of the trend exhaustion at the end of this month. That's the January 28th. These are going up. Now, last thing, and I'll end this video. If any of you have purchased individual indicators and you want to upgrade to the bundle pack right now while it's 81% off before this goes up in price, email us at btradeconfident. Let me show this to you guys right here. btradeconfident@gmail.com. Email us, and I will give you guys access to the bundle pack, and we'll just send you a PayPal email, and you guys will actually be able to just pay the difference, and you'll get all 9 indicators. You guys get 9 indicators with the bundle pack. So the 3 indicators you'd pay for anyways, that same price you'd pay down here, you're going to be getting all of them, and you're getting 6 more indicators on top of the 3 that you need. And we've got indicators over here that will blow your mind. Forex indicators that have never been coded before on TradingView, ever. I know this because they're incredible. I don't want to go into literally we had the COO and the CMO reach out to me and try to buy our indicators for thousands of dollars. And I'm like, look guys, I respect TradingView, you're awesome, but these indicators are doing so well, we're keeping them for our members over here. So you guys want to come over here and trade with these and get the bundle pack today before this goes up in price. Make sure you are doing this. This will be the best deal, best investment you guys make into your trading career. I'm not even kidding about that. VET, guys, could be seeing a pump up here. Like I said, this is a 30% pump that we can be seeing. Just coming up here to the structure high up here is a 30%. Trend exhaustion is low. Well money flow is low. Structure high 30% is not unrealistic whatsoever for a pump back up, guys. Oh man, those of you guys who get into VET right now, those of you guys who are my millionaire traders that I talk to you guys and I coach you, if you've got some extra money, I think VET is an incredible place to get into. I showed you the buy limits of how to access them. Come over here, go to the live trades, scroll down, go to VET right now, get into the trade and use the other 3 buy limits. So you guys can market order in with 25% right now if you want, and then use the other 3 buy limits just in case we go down further. But you guys can get in here, get into these lower positions and ride this up, because this will be one of the fastest gaining coins out of all of them when we start moving back up based off where the price structure is. And it's at 6.5 cents, guys. Okay, I'm going to end this here. Make sure you guys get the indicators in the description before they go up in value, because this is what we're going to be using to call the exit. Once you guys come up here and you're in this trade that you take today, watch for the trend exhaustion to be high and watch for the well money flow to be high as well. When this gets up here, oh man, I got to show this to you guys. This is going to be too good of a trade to miss. Here's what you guys need to do. Click the alerts and click the alert again over here. And I want you guys to come over to VET and then click trend exhaustion. And I want you to click wait for drop. 2 options, wait for drop or wait for pump. So click wait for drop. Once per bar close, notify on the app, give a pop-up, give an email. It doesn't matter. You guys set that up. Come down here and do VET, watch for drop. Okay? This is going to actually now send an alert to you guys and to me as well to give us an alert here of when the trend exhaustion white line pushes up into the top red section here. Once that happens, and if you guys get in today, that could be one of the easiest 10 to 15% profits you guys will make up here in the market. Actually, probably closer around 20 to 30%. Watch that, guys. This is an incredible trade, and there's no joke. People will become millionaires off this move here if you guys buy in at lower levels. Okay, I'm confident about this, and that's why I'm being a little bit more adamant on this video, and I'm taking longer time. Get your membership set up with us so you guys can get into all these buy limits and have all these metrics to track this and start winning more trades before that goes up. Make sure you guys get this. Make sure you guys are getting into the live trades over here. Get into the Telegram channel. And guys, the membership going up is because we're adding new things into this next year. Make sure you're getting in here so you can take advantage of all that at a lower price. And do not forget the indicators, because these are going up in price. And this is how we've won our 102 for 102 wins. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions, and I'll keep the videos coming this week. God bless you guys. Get ready for VET to do something crazy. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.